let me clarify, I make videos for memories, not for YouTube. So only for memories, yeah? Okay.
That is Wonderland.
Apparently the clothes which you have brought for water rides, they are not acceptable. You need to have synthetic.
We are going to go there. I'm definitely sitting on that. Yeah.
Ta-da! Synthetic.
Stain, which has determined your fate. I've never seen so clear. I feel the end and it's near. The day of reckoning's here. The sound of deafening fear. You won't die if you try. You just might get a little bit of trouble. K-N-I-F-E, right in your side. You will never see me coming. You won't die if you try. You just might get a little bit of trouble. K-N-I-F-E, right in your side. You will never see me. My energy is next level, so damn you better be careful. I got an angel and devil, he stabs me straight in the temple. I'm ready to be a rebel, I've got a lot of potential hidden inside of this vessel. That shit is so exponential. I need a first class ticket to the top, no limit. I don't play no gimmicks, I'ma take you to the clinic. If you want a taste, come at me and you will be replaced. They won't find a trace of you anywhere or any place. You won't die if you try. You just might get a little bit of trouble. K-N-I-F-E, right in your side. You will never see me coming. You won't die if you try. You just might get a little bit. Let's go. I wake up to a little bit of drool on my pillow, feel like it's gonna be a bad day. Yeah, I'm tired of shit, and the coffee ain't hit yet, damn, ain't that great. I don't wanna go to work, cause my boss is a jerk, and I'm not even that paid. I need a change in my life, cause I don't feel alive, and there's nothing that makes me happy. Hold my beer for a minute, I'm about to quit my job, cash in for a ticket. I'm going on a trip and I don't plan to visit. I'm gonna stay there till I feel like I'm winning all. And this is just the beginning. I need a big change, help me feel like living. I need a big swing, home runs I'm hitting. And I'll never look back, moving on till I get it all. And we all got dreams, we all want things. But what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be? And do you believe you can do anything? But what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be? Yeah, this is my life, my strife, my right to fight, to die on. And this is my game to play, to claim a brand new name, And I ain't gonna lie to you, I'm a bit nervous that I might screw everything up that I've ever done. But what's the point of living if you ain't having fun? I guess I'll try this.
And it has started to rain. The problem with this guy is a small kid. Majority of rides are not accepted from him.
I wanna go to work cause my boss is a jerk and I'm not even that paid. I need a change in my life cause I don't feel alive and there's nothing that makes me happy. Hold my beer for a minute, I'm about to quit my job, cash in for a ticket. I'm going on a trip and I don't plan to visit. I'm gonna stay there till I feel like I'm winning all. And this is just the beginning. I need a big change, help me feel like living. I need a big swing, home runs I'm hitting. And I'll never look back, moving on till I get it all. And we all got dreams, we all want things. But what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be? right to fight, to die on. And this is my game to play, to claim a brand new name, oh. And I ain't gonna lie to you, I'm a bit nervous that I might screw everything up that I've ever done, but
I must say, 80% of the rides, the water rides or these rides, none of them, most of them are not for kids like my mother. So it's a waste of them. It's a waste of money. So I must admit, this place is not for kids, especially this one. It's a waste of time for us to come because whichever rides we try to enter for, your kids are not allowed. So we can't leave him alone also. So wife, she has there to go there. The ride which let me show you. This one. And then after that, she would be going for that one.
a little bit of drool on my pillow, feel like it's gonna be a bad day. Yeah, I'm tired of shit, and the coffee ain't hit yet, damn ain't that great. I don't wanna go to work, cause my boss is a jerk, and I'm not even that paid. I need a change in my life, cause I don't feel alive, and there's nothing that makes me happy. Hold my beer for a minute, I'm about to quit my job, cash in for a ticket. I'm going on a trip and I don't plan to visit. I'm gonna stay there till I feel like I'm winning, and this is just the beginning. I need a big change, help me feel like living. I need a big swing, home runs I'm hitting, and I'll never look back, moving on till I get it all. And we all got dreams, we all want things, but what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be? And do you believe you can do anything? But what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be? Let's go! Hey! Yeah, this is my life, my strife, my right to fight, to die on. And this is my game to play, to claim a brand new name, And I ain't gonna lie to you, I'm a bit nervous that I might screw everything up that I've ever done. But what's the point of living if you ain't having fun? I guess I'll try this, try that, might miss, gotta find what I'm good at. I guess I look here, look there, over where am I scared, where am I at? I gotta make it in this life, whatever makes me happy, know I'm doing things right. Sipping in the summer on a goose and Sprite, or find a nightclub for the end of the night, And we all got dreams.
She has abandoned us. You stay with the kid and she goes for the rides. That's what she says.
We can do anything, but what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be?
So Susu potty for this guy, it's on my head. So I'm the nanny.
rain is falling. Chama cham cham. Rain has interrupted everything. So we are supposed to go out, look at the surroundings.
Got me, babe, I'm yours to have. Don't hurt me, my heart's in your hands. You got me, babe, I'm yours to have. Don't
It's because of this guy.
baby,
Most of the rides were not applicable for him. Everywhere we moved, they told us, since your son is 140 centimeters less, we can't accept him. So these small funny what do you call, funny rides for the kids which we have had, they were the only ones which we had to go for. And majority of the big rides, big things, not applicable for this guy. So we couldn't have left him behind. And it was only wife, where she is taking her selfies. So most of the rides she went, and some of the rides I tried to go, but I was afraid because of the heights. I've got a phobia with heights. Nevertheless, the place is good. And there's another thing which, let me show you how the place from outside is. That is the thing. That's the parking. If you are coming with a family and has a child like this guy, the rides is useful only if you have a nanny with you, or maybe someone who can take care of your kid, and then you can enjoy along with your partner. So either of us had to go, because the queue in most of the rides was long enough. You had to wait for some good amount of time. I'll give you a tour of this room. So this, I think it's a common room, and this is where they've taken care of every small details what a guest is trying to look for. So we have coffee, we have the cups, the spoons, the glasses. Then I think it's everywhere. Funny, huh? And this is how the main rooms is, and that is how the view from the balcony is. That's a parking, and that's where we had gone. Unfortunately, we couldn't get into that ride because it started to rain, and they told us it's better we come next time. And the roller coaster ride, I think if you can say it, it's here. They had stopped it because of maintenance. I wish they could have informed on the website, because I was going through their website and there's nothing which was mentioned like that. Ta-da! We got hangers, we didn't take any of them. We got locker, we didn't use the locker. This is the washroom. Quite big enough, spacious. That's a bathtub. Oh boy. And that's a shower. Pretty decent. Love the place. Do not disturb. They got each and every facility whatever a person is interested in. Like we've got shampoo, we've got hair conditioner, we've got shower gel, we got the bubble bath, brush, toothpaste, this, well, yeah, the dryer, I guess it's of no use to me. So we got a small fridge. Oh, we had whiskey. Is that whiskey? Yeah, it's whiskey. Didn't use any of them. The towels are here, the TV is here, Tata Play. They didn't recharge, I believe, so we keep seeing the same error message. And that's how people are. And we should be leaving this place in the next 5 minutes. Almost each and every table has got a paper and a pencil. That's a good thing. Usually I don't find them in other hotels, but this was good. Bye guys. Bye everyone. Bye. Bye 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 bye. Bye. Bye everyone. Bye. Bye bye. 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 And we are all set to go. Let's go. सब जा रहे हैं. फिर लेके बैठो उसको वहाँ पर.